Hi guys, welcome back to our tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to attach a booking button on any page, post, or custom post type of business WordPress website by using Bookster plugin. First up, you have to create a wonderful WordPress booking system, including a booking form, agents, service, and real-time calendar as our website here. Bookster also comes with a lot of add-ons to support users build up the perfect booking system. Watch other tutorials from us to know how each add-on works. Now, let's see how to enable the Bookster Booking Button on a specific post page of our website. Assuming our WooCommerce business provides many blog posts to get positive interaction with customers, I want to add a booking button at the bottom of the article. This way can help our business increase traffic without forcing customers to navigate to other tabs. To do that, simply move to the Edit tab of the blog post. Scroll down to the position you want to add the booking button. I'm going to add a new block, type Bookster to search Bookster Booking Button. Click on this block to add. Now you can enter a call to action to encourage visitors' process to book an appointment. I'm going to leave Meet Us Now. Let's see the right side here. Bookster allows users to change the step ordering differently for each button beside the default button. You can drag and drop to change the position. Also, if this blog post is mainly about a specific service of your business, to save customers time, you can modify the button in this section to skip non-related steps. So, I'm going to choose Always Auto Select with this option and choose a specific service here. With the agent, I'm going to leave it as random, or you can force each button to a specific agent. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm satisfied with this booking button. Click on Save the Change. Back to the published article to see how the button works. Try to book an appointment. Yay, can you see it? A wonderful booking form here. Walk through all the booking steps. As I've set previously, our booking process will skip some steps and continue with the others. And we booked a successful appointment from the booking button. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Take Bookster now to have a powerful booking system. Stay tuned to watch more useful videos from us.